Many people assume that younger women are naturally attracted to older men, and in a lot of cases, that's actually true. Experience, emotional control, maturity, and a more stable lifestyle give older men a real edge, something younger guys simply haven't built yet. But here's where things go wrong. Most older men don't really understand how to use that advantage properly. I've seen men in their 40s, 50s, and beyond repeat the same mistakes over and over when interacting with younger women. And every time, they end up hurting their own chances. They don't just lose attraction, they lose respect. And once respect is gone, you don't even get the chance to show your true self. That's the real issue. Because the truth is, older men already have everything they need. They're just applying it the wrong way. The good news? You don't need to become someone else. You don't need to act younger, richer, or cooler. You just need to avoid these 7 common mistakes. Let's go through them. Mistake number 1, putting her on a pedestal. You meet a younger woman who's attractive, confident, maybe even a little intimidating. Suddenly you feel pressure. You start thinking, I can't mess this up, she's out of my league. So what happens? You overcompensate. You become overly polite, too agreeable, too cautious. You filter everything you say, and the conversation turns safe and boring. Here's the truth. Women aren't attracted to men who place them above themselves. They're drawn to men who stand on equal footing. The moment you elevate her above you, you lower your own value. You show insecurity, and insecurity quickly kills attraction. The fix is simple. Stop viewing women as something you need to win over. Speak naturally with women of any age, without attaching your self-worth to the outcome. When you see her as just another person, imperfect, human, real, the pedestal disappears, and confidence replaces it. You're not there to impress her. You're there to see if there's mutual connection. It goes both ways. Once you get that, your power returns. Mistake number 2, reacting awkwardly to the age question. So, how old are you? For many men, this simple question creates tension. Their body language shifts. Their tone changes. The confidence they had seconds ago fades away. When you act uncomfortable about your age, you send a clear message. It's something to be insecure about. And if you treat it like a problem, she will too. Your age isn't the issue. Your attitude toward it is. Own it. Say it calmly and confidently. If humor fits your style, use it, but never apologize for it. Don't over-explain. Don't show discomfort. Confidence makes age attractive. Hesitation turns it into a weakness. Mistake number 3, leading with money. Many older men believe their biggest strength is financial success, so they talk about their business, income, car, or lifestyle. Some even try to impress by spending money early. But that doesn't build attraction. It creates a transaction. When you lead with money, you present yourself as a provider first, a person second. And that attracts the wrong kind of attention. People who are interested in what you have, not who you are. Let your success show naturally over time. Lead with your personality, your presence, your values. Money should support your identity, not replace it. Mistake number 4, acting like a mentor. A lot of older men fall into this without realizing it. They try to impress by giving advice, sharing lessons, guiding, teaching, while hiding their romantic interest. The problem is, the moment you position yourself as a teacher, you remove the spark. You kill the chemistry. And when you later try to shift into something romantic, it feels forced and unnatural. Set the tone early. Be playful. Add light teasing. Allow some flirtation. Your experience matters, but attraction needs energy. It needs interaction, not a lecture. Mistake number 5, trying too hard to look young. This can show up in different ways. Forced slang, trendy clothes that don't match you, or acting like someone you're not. It doesn't work. Trying too hard to appear younger usually sends one message. You're not comfortable with your real age, and that signals insecurity. True confidence comes from accepting where you are in life, not fighting it. Dress well. Take care of yourself. Stay in shape. Speak naturally. Your life experience is your advantage. Don't try to hide it. Mistake number 6, Talking too much about your achievements. Many older men turn conversations into a highlight reel of their lives. Career wins, past success, credentials. But attraction isn't built through a list of accomplishments. It's built through connection. Let those things come up naturally if needed. Don't force them. Focus on her. Be present. Actually listen. A truly confident man doesn't feel the need to constantly prove his value. He shows it through his presence. Mistake number 7, neglecting your physical presence. Experience alone isn't enough. How you present yourself still matters. You don't need to look young, but you do need to look put together. Good grooming, well-fitted clothes, and basic fitness all signal discipline, self-respect, and confidence. When you take care of yourself, people notice immediately. At the core of all these mistakes is one main issue: not fully owning who you are. Younger women aren't looking for perfection. They're attracted to confidence, authenticity, and a man who is comfortable in his own skin. So stop apologizing for who you are. Stop trying to prove your worth. Start owning it. Because when you do, it doesn't just improve attraction, it transforms your entire life. I'll see you in the next one.